Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer one Google Drive to another. Let's get started. Okay, so for this video, you're going to need to open up your Google Drive for two separate Google accounts. So for the first one, I have my one Google account open, and then the second one, in the second tab, I have my other Google account open in the Google Drive. So we're going to go to the left side of the screen, and you're going to select this plus icon here where it says New, and you're going to select Folder or New Folder. So now I just have to rename it. I'm going to call it Transfer File. Then I'm going to click on Create. So if we go to my drive, you can see here that the transfer file has been created. So I'm going to add in a few documents. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to drop it into the transfer file section. And now what you need to do is go to the transfer file, going to right click, and then you're going to click on Share, and you're going to click on Share again. Now it says Add People, Groups, and Calendar Events. So I'm going to type in the other email address in my other Google account. So now it says here, Editor. So make sure that it is on Editor, not on Comments or Reviewer. Make sure it's on this one, Organize, Add, and Edit Files. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on Send. Now what you need to do is go to the second Google Drive, and then you're going to go to the left side of the screen, and you're going to select Shared with Me. So here it is, Transfer File. So we are going to go back, and we are going to download it. So now we're going to go to the right side of the document, and we're going to go here. And then we're going to select folder information. Okay, you can select details, activities. Okay, and then share again. So now if we go back to the first Google account, so the transfer file is right here. We're going to select that, then click on share, and then share again. So then for my second Google account, it says editor. We're going to select transfer ownership. So now it says transfer ownership, ? You'll be the owner until this person accepts ownership. So you're going to click on send invitation. So now all you need to do is open up your emails in your second Google account. Now it says you're invited to own a folder. You're an editor until you accept ownership. Items you own may use your account storage. So then all you need to do is just accept or decline. So I'm going to click on accept. Now it says you've accepted ownership of this file. So then we can go back to our Google Drive. So now if we go to the transfer file in the first Google Drive, what you'll notice is that if I click on share and share again, my other email address, that person is now the owner, and now I am the editor. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.